Hi, I am Marcus from Davidson's Shoe Repair. In this video I will be working on these Allen Edmonds. They are heavily worn, so they will be resoled with new leather soles. And the heel counters are broken and the heel liners will be replaced at the same time. And also the edging is quite worn as well. See if you can see that. There you can see it. It's probably the edging is bad, so we're gonna have to do something about that. And of course a wash and see if we can't clean them up a bit. And hopefully I can restore them to almost brand new shape. So let's get started. So the gemming has come off from the footbed in a few places, and that needs to be reglued and reinforced. So I'm starting with sanding the footbed and preparing it for glue so I can reglue this. So now it's time to address the broken heel counters. I need to open them up and see how they look inside. I think these have plastic heel counters. So I'm going to cut them open and see how it looks inside. They are very broken. Not really much to repair here, so I will replace these with leather instead. So I'll cut out the lining and open them up so I can see a little better. So the heel counters are out, and now I see that the edging is broken as well, so I will replace that and start rebuilding them. So the customer let me decide which color thread to use, and when I get to choose, I rarely use the black or the plain white because I think that's quite boring. It's more fun to do it with something more colorful. In this case I went with the green. Now I'm just smoothing out the stitches before the sanding of the sole, so you get a nicer finish. So I've stitched these wet, so now they will dry overnight and then I can continue with them tomorrow. So I am done with these Allen Edmonds. They have new JR leather soles, new stacked leather heel bases, new heel counters from leather, and of course new back linings and calf skin heel socks. They turned out pretty good, I think. Hopefully the customer will be happy with them. Till next time, bye.